lot of ready stock. You can see this collection. And if I talk about the pants, you're going to get something like this in the pant, and you are going to get proper 2.5 meter shawl. This is going to be very beautiful. And if you're owning a new boutique, if you're owning a business, if you're owning a new small business, this now you're going to see this collection. Have you seen this much beautiful collection anywhere in Surat, anywhere in Delhi? We are going to give it to you. You just have to do one thing. You can see the number on the screen. Directly call us. Special collection for you in just rupees 519. In the previous video I have shown you 389 collection, which is very beautiful. Now I have brought you 519 collection, which is going to be the anarkali pattern. This fabric is going to be pure mull cotton. As you can see the samples on the table. And if you want to order these collection, you want to see the detailed video, so don't skip the video. I'm showing you the first collection. You can see very beautiful and vibrant blue. It is sea blue. And as well you can see the neck area as well. You're going to see the sequence work, thread work, and it's going to be with for 2.5 meter shawl. You can see the pant as well. And if I talk about the shawl part, you are going to get proper forma, and it's going to be proper 2.5 meter. I'm going to show it to you. You can see this collection is going to be very beautiful, and it's freshly made, as you can see. So you can see it's properly 2.5 meter dupatta. If you want to order these collection, the bunch is going to be of 4 pieces, M, L, XL and XXL, same color, same design. Now I'm going to show you the next color, vibrant purple. You can see the eggplant purple color, which is going to be very beautiful. And you can see the neck part as well. You can see the thread work, you can see the sequence work, and it's going to be very vibrant, as you can see. If I talk about the bottom wear, you can see the bottom wear as well. You can see the dupatta part. It's also going to be, the shawl is going to be proper 2.5 meter. If you're watching this video from international borders, maybe US, maybe Canada, maybe States, you can order these collection internationally also. If you're watching this video within India, you have the facility of COD. You can order one set also, but if you have a huge business, you can order 1000 pieces also. We already have a lot of ready stock. You can see this collection. And if I talk about the pants, you're going to get something like this in the pant, and you are going to get proper 2.5 meter shawl. This is going to be very beautiful. And if you're owning a new boutique, if you're owning a business, if you're owning a new small business, this collection is just for you, because it's going to be very reasonable, just for 519. You can see this collection, vibrant gray color, and you can see the neck area also, sequence work, thread work. Again I'm saying it to you, same color, same design, M, L, XL and XXL. If you want to order these collection, you can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us, and you have the video call facility, COD, international shipping. And secondly, if you're coming to or planning to visit Surat, pick and drop facility is also available. You can see this beautiful collection. And if you want to order these collection, it's going to be very reasonable as well. You can see the neck area also. So this is your chance. If you want to earn profit in 2026, this is the best marketing strategy, because this collection is going to be just for 519. And summer is coming, so this collection is very suitable for summer. As you can see this collection, even you can see the down part also, daman part also, and you can see the neck area also, properly thread work. Along with, you are going to get this type of dupatta and the pants. If you want to order these collection, I'm saying again and again, you can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us, video call us. Now you are going to see this collection. Have you seen this much beautiful collection anywhere in Surat, anywhere in Delhi? We are going to give it to you. You just have to do one thing. You can see the number on the screen. Directly call us, inquiry, or place your order. Now the last collection, which is I am wearing. You can see how beautiful it is. My height is 5'8". As you can see, it's going to come with proper height. So there would be no compromise with the quality, no compromise with the shawl length, no compromise with the pant. So If you like this video, like, comment and share, and comment down below from where you're watching this video.